What's going on, YouTube? Hey, it's a great day today. It's Saturday and just got off work a little bit ago, but I had something I really needed to do. I want to bring you along with me. If this is the first time to my channel, be sure hit that like button and smash that sub button. I need you to smash that sub button because I need subs. So if it's the first time that you're coming over, be sure and hit that subscribe button. Help me out big time. Also, hit that little bell for notifications so you can get updated on all the new videos I post. I try to post a new video at least every other day, if not every day, but mostly every other day. But anyway, we're gonna go over here and put the box on, let's see here, that one right there. Yep. We came over and put the new lid on it here a while back. I'll try to post that link right up here. But mostly, we're just gonna pull this top off and put a new box on it. So it's gonna be real simple. Also, while I'm at it, I got a shout out from Bumblebee Junction the other day. If you guys don't know who Bumblebee Junction is, you definitely need to go over there and give him a sub. He's definitely a good guy. He does all kinds of gardening, and he's really good at it. And if you ever have any questions on your garden, he is the man. And you can ask him, and he will help you out in any way. And he's usually up all night because when I work my midnights, he talks to me like till 4 a.m. So he stays up late, so you guys can holler at him all night long if you want. But I'll put a link to his channel right up here. And yeah, do me a favor, go sub him. Tell him that I sent you. I haven't done that before, to tell people that I've sent them. I'm finally getting some subs, so tell him I sent you. Usually it's like Dutch sending people over to my channel, but tell Bumblebee Junction that I sent you. But anyways, let's go put a box on this hive, and then I'm gonna go eat dinner. So the bees must be hot. Look at all those bees. But that's not even the impressive one. Check this out. Bam. It must be hot. Already got a freaking tick. Hate these things. Rest in peace, little tick, because you are dead. Look at all these. What are you guys doing out here? I think while I got my suit on, I'm gonna crack the top on this thing. These guys must be hot. All right, let's take the top off. I'm gonna try to make this video quick because I gotta get home, but I've told some people I'm gonna do some certain things. If I can do it fast enough and the bees aren't real aggressive, I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I look for in the hive. One thing, don't forget to zip up. We're gonna put these on for right now. If the bees aren't aggressive, I'm gonna take them off. Taking them off will be the best way to do this if I'm gonna try to show y'all what I'm doing, because I need to be able to hold the phone. Okay, so when I look at this, all this is brood. This is good. But if you look, see that right there, that white in the top left corner of the screen? That's an egg. It's wrapped up in like a little cocoon down in there. That's what we call larva. That's a good sign. That means she's laying. There's a bunch of it in here. See it all down in there? So this is a good frame. We got eggs up here, or it's actually not eggs, it's larvae up here, and this is all brood. All this is brood. Let me see if I can find an egg. Let me see if I can show you. See this bee right there? It's got yellow on it, that pollen. There is eggs right here, so I'm going to shake this frame off and I'll try to show you. You see those little those are little eggs, those little larvae just now coming into the larva stage. But if you come right down here to that, you guys see that little thing sticking up in the very bottom? There we go. You see those little things sticking up in the bottom? They're right here. Those are eggs. Those are freshly laid eggs. That's what I'm looking for when I get into this hive. I want to make sure there's fresh eggs. If there's fresh eggs, I know we got a queen. But I love seeing brood. As long as there's brood, we're good too. Brood, eggs, and larvae, you always want to look for that. Finding the queen is not necessarily always something that you have to do, but finding eggs is. I'm trying to slide this on without hurting any bees. Okay, that's that. That's awesome. Let's go open this hive up back here. All right, let me just show you. This is a good frame. Look at all the larvae. And you come over here. There's larvae. See, I'm trying to find it in the camera. Larva, 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 larva. Eggs. Down in there. Okay, so something else I want to show you. See all this white stuff at the top? That's all honey. I'll put this back up. So I just got in the hive next to it. That's the queen. Last time she flew off the frame on the ground, so she's still in there. That's good. This hive's weak, but it'll be all right. Well, that was a good day. Got to show you a few things. Hopefully you can see it on camera. I could see it, so hopefully, pretty sure you could too. We're down one hive, so I don't know what happened to the queen. I know she was in there last time I checked, but that's fine. That was a little bitty tiny hive. Whoop. Come on now. Well, it got me in the forehead. Another one about to get me. Got me somewhere right there. Oh yeah. Wasn't the first time, and it won't be the last. All right, well, I got stung in the head. Of course, I already said that. Somewhere right up in here, but oh well. I lost a bee. RIP. R.I.P. to a bee. But anyways, that's all I got for you. Like I said earlier, don't forget, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. I actually said it backwards earlier. See, I'm throwing you off here. And don't forget, hit that notification bell so you get all my new videos when I upload them. Don't forget, sub Bumblebee Junction, his link at the end of the video somewhere. Go sub him. But anyway, till next time, I'll see you on the next video. Y'all have a good day.